everyone, Jillian here at Shear Chaos. Hope everyone is at home and healthy and practicing safe social skills right now. And so we're going to treat everyone with some videos and just different things to kind of get your mind off of stuff, as well as perfect some hair techniques. So today we're going to be chatting a little bit about using flat iron. Some hot tips about flat irons are knowing the heat temp that you have things set on, which all depends on the type of hair that you have. My hair is very fine, so I usually keep the temperature gauge around 365. That's the optimum heat for smoothing or creating curls and anything like that. If you have more coarser texture or kinky curls, you may want to add a few extra degrees from there, but do it in different steps and don't try and totally rake through it really quick. That's not going to get you what you need. Give it a chance before you keep turning it up, because you don't want to burn your hair or then it'll smell a lot. So first things first, for smoothing the hair, you'll want to use a heat protectant. I'm going to use the Char finishing hairspray because you can use it as a working one as well. There's seaweed extract and charcoal powder within it to help create some nice texture. It's a nice flexible but firm hold, so I love using this to create styles because I know that it'll have the memory of what I created in there staying, as well as I can still touch myself, not other people. I need a button. Applause, laugh, boom.
We should put in a laugh track. Okay, I'll do that. I'll put in a laugh track.
So for everyone to see, I normally don't do this when I'm ironing people's hair, but for viewing pleasure, when you come in and want something more straight, you'll come in, go at a nice, medium pace and bring it and follow through. If anyone was in basketball back in the day, you'll know that the follow through is key for you to make, that basket. Same with using the flat iron. Don't just stop abruptly. You're gonna get lines, you might get kinks here or there. If you keep that movement very fluid, everything will come together beautifully. So again, you'll take that piece, come in, and before you shut it down, you will be moving already because you don't want to create that line, and follow through. If you want there to be some soft kick on the ends, what you're gonna want to do is just change your follow through. So we'll spray a little bit of the Char. Hot tip too, don't spray super duper close because then you'll just have a wet spot when you go in with the iron. It'll and it'll freak you out. It's no good. So I'd say about, between 8 to 12 inches away, spray. Come in with your iron. Remember, fluid motions, just like a wave. So come in, start the movement before you fully close. And when you get to the ends, just rev your motorcycle a little bit. Vroom, vroom. And then you'll get that nice soft kick. All right, the bevel under a little bit more than just doing the straight or out. Grab your section. Work that product through. Start the movement and then bring it forward. So when you're on yourself, bring it towards your face. you're going out, bring it out this way. But always remember those fluid motions and the follow through. All right, one of my favorite techniques is doing more of like ribbon curls with your flat iron. And you'll be like, OMG, Jilly, flat irons acting like a curling iron? It's beautiful. So, a little bit of the Char finishing spray. You'll grab your piece. And you'll come in and rev that motorcycle and follow through. And you have a nice little ribbon curl. If you would like to see the look to be a little bit more beachy and some more undone ends, this is what I've been showing a lot of my guests the past little while. So it's more of that undone kind of, you know, curl a few pieces here and there, work it in. You will actually follow through, but keep your iron open. Check a look. Come in, you'll turn, and when you see you're about to end, open up that iron and just glide it out. It'll keep more of that kind of undone, unkept ends through there, so when you shake it out, it just looks so natural, more bohemian, and you can go through and actually curl about, like, let's say 80-85% of your hair and leave some of the straight pieces. When you shimmy and shake it all out, it just melts together. Looks beautiful. And if you would like to see more texture and more messy, really amp up the volume, we'll use our Surface Airlift. So this has powderized tapioca and clay. It'll just create that volume, texture, and just yumminess throughout. So we'll get this section up a little poof. Look at how pretty that is. And then just instead of using a comb to blouse or create some more volume, I like to pinch on the ends. I'll put that down. Pinch on the end and just pinch and push it until there's no hair left in my fingers. You shimmy it out, then you can get some volume there. If you need more volume on the top, same thing. Hold it straight up, light pinch, and push. Pinch and push. And push and pinch and pinch and push. And this is Jillian Campbell with Shear Chaos. Hitting 3-pointers. If you foul, you'll make those free throws. Crowd goes wild.